Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse iGen4500 portable inverter generator is a powerful and reliable power solution designed to meet the diverse needs of outdoor enthusiasts, homeowners, and emergency preparedness planners. Renowned for its super quiet operation, the iGen4500 delivers high performance with minimal noise, making it an ideal companion for camping, tailgating, and residential use without disturbing the peace of your surroundings. Versatile power solution. The Westinghouse iGen4500 stands out due to its impressive versatility. Whether you need to power your RV, campsite, tailgate party, or provide backup power for your home, this generator is equipped to handle it all. It delivers 4,500 peak watts and 3,700 rated watts, ensuring you have enough power to run essential appliances, tools, and devices. Ultra-quiet operation. One of the key features of the iGen4500 is its ultra-quiet operation. Producing noise levels as low as 52 dBA, this generator is significantly quieter than traditional generators, which can reach noise levels of 75 dBA or higher. This makes it perfect for use in noise-sensitive environments such as campsites, neighborhoods, and during outdoor events. Fuel efficiency and extended runtime. The iGen4500 is designed with fuel efficiency in mind. It features an economy mode that optimizes fuel consumption and extends the runtime, allowing the generator to operate for up to 18 hours on a full 3.4-gallon gas tank. This means fewer refueling stops and more continuous power supply for your needs. RV-ready and multiple outlets. For RV owners, the iGen4500 is a great choice as it comes with an RV-ready TT-30R 30-amp outlet. Additionally, it includes a 520R 120V duplex household outlet and 2 USB ports, providing versatility to power a wide range of devices and appliances. This makes it suitable for both recreational and emergency power needs. Easy start and user-friendly interface. The generator is equipped with a remote electric start and a traditional recoil start, ensuring easy operation in any situation. The rotating digital LED display is another user-friendly feature that provides real-time information on fuel level, power output, remaining runtime, voltage output, and lifetime hours. This makes it easy to monitor and manage the generator's performance. Portable and durable design. The Westinghouse iGen4500 is built for portability and durability. It features a telescoping handle and built-in wheels, making it easy to transport over various terrains. The robust construction ensures that the generator can withstand the rigors of outdoor use and harsh weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for any situation. Environmental compliance meeting. Both EPA and CARB standards, the iGen4500 is designed with environmental considerations in mind. It produces cleaner emissions compared to traditional generators, making it a more eco-friendly option for power generation. This compliance ensures that the generator can be used in all 50 states, including those with stricter emission regulations like California. Emergency preparedness. In times of power outages or natural disasters, the Westinghouse iGen4500 provides a dependable source of backup power. Its high wattage and extended runtime ensure that essential appliances such as refrigerators, lights, medical devices, and communication tools remain operational during emergencies. User reviews and popularity. The Westinghouse iGen4500 has received positive reviews from users who appreciate its quiet operation, reliability, and ease of use. Many customers highlight its performance during camping trips and as a home backup generator, noting its ability to power multiple devices simultaneously without issues. What stands out the most? Quiet operation produces as low as 52 dBA noise output, perfect for camping and home use. Fuel efficiency. Features an economy mode for maximum fuel efficiency, providing up to 18 hours of runtime on a 3.4-gallon gas tank. Powerful performance delivers 4,500 peak watts and 3,700 rated watts, enough to power essential appliances. RV-ready comes with an RV-ready TT-30R 30-amp outlet, making it suitable for travel trailers. Multiple outlets includes a 520R 120V duplex household outlet and 2 USB ports for versatile power options. Easy start? Equipped with remote electric start and recoil start for convenience. LED display. Rotating digital display shows fuel level, power output, remaining runtime, voltage output, and lifetime hours. Portable design. Features a telescoping handle and wheel kit for easy transportation. Durable construction. Built with high-quality materials to withstand outdoor conditions. EPA and CARB. Compliant. Meets environmental standards for cleaner emissions. Long run time. Up to 18 hours on a full tank, ensuring extended use without frequent refueling. User-friendly, simple controls, and clear instructions make it easy to operate. Versatile use. Suitable for residential, camping, and emergency backup power needs. Compact size. Despite its power, it has a compact design for easy storage and transport. Warranty. Backed by a 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage. Technical specifications. Model Westinghouse iGen4500 portable inverter generator peak power, 4,500 watts rated power, 3,700 watts. Fuel type gasoline run time, up to 18 hours on a full tank. Noise output, as low as 52 dBA outlets, 520R 120V duplex household outlet, TT-30R 30 amp RV outlet, 2 USB ports. Weight, approximately 119 pounds. Dimensions, compact and portable with a telescoping handle and wheel kit. Additional features, LED display, remote electric start, recoil start, economy mode. Pros and cons. Pros, quiet operation suitable for various environments. High fuel efficiency for extended use, multiple power outlets for versatile applications. Easy start options for convenience, portable design with handle and wheels. Cons, initial cost may be higher compared to other generators. Requires regular maintenance and refueling, may produce residual oil and fuel odor due to factory testing. Where to buy? The Westinghouse iGen4500 portable inverter generator can be purchased directly from Amazon. It is available for delivery and comes with a comprehensive warranty and customer support. To summarize, the Westinghouse iGen4500 portable inverter generator is a reliable and efficient power solution for various outdoor and emergency needs. Its quiet operation, fuel efficiency, and multiple outlets make it a versatile choice for camping, tailgating, and home use. With its durable construction and user-friendly features, it is an excellent investment for anyone in need of a dependable power source. Click on the link below to get price,